Hi, I'm Deb Villareese. Back in the middle of December of 2013, we heard a report that vitamins probably are not very helpful to your health. In fact, they said it could actually be detrimental. And so I wanted to give you a little bit of an insight on what they were really talking about. There's actually three kinds of vitamins, and I like to use the analogy of lemons. So kind of follow me over here, and we're going to take a look at the different kinds of vitamins and the different using the example of a lemon. There are typically the one that they were talking about is the synthetic type. That would be just like this lemon. As you can see, it's made of sort of plastic. And what we find with these is they really don't have any enzymes that will actually help build the body. They're usually inorganic substances. They have artificial colors and flavors. And the other thing is that they'll create a mirror image where they're not exactly, your body knows the difference. Just like when you look at yourself in a mirror and look at your face one way does not look the face as you do in a picture, and it's kind of the same thing. You can tell the difference. The body knows the difference. You may have a stimulant where you maybe feel better for a while, yet you may also not, and there might be some side effects when you're taking it. They also use harsh binders and fillers, and the one that's always kind of bothered me is more times than not they're coated with shellac. Now there's other vitamins that you might find in the health food store. Now the other ones I was speaking about are typically drugstore varieties. You know the kind. I'm not going to mention any brands, but the ones you buy in health food store, which we perceive as to be a little bit better, are usually something more like this. Now remember the lemon being like this, but because it's still processed, there's weak enzymes. They'll use chemical or even heat extraction, meaning that they actually will put some kind of a chemical on the lemon, pull it out, and create a problem. And the extract actually sticks with the product. There's might be stimulants. It's a short-term feeling. They'll use binders and fillers, and they also can be coated with shellac. And who knew, right? And then the other vitamin, which is the one that Shaklee actually has, is very similar to having a whole real lemon. This has strong action. They don't use any heat to process it. It feeds and improves the cells. It has natural vitamin E in it, so it doesn't have that mirror image problem. It's the only company with a proven absorption through independent peer-reviewed published clinical study, 20-year study I might add, that says that when you take these vitamins, it makes you 4 to 5 times healthier than other people who took no vitamins or one of these two vitamins. So when you hear the study and it says don't take vitamins, be careful what you're listening to. They're really talking about these two types of vitamins that you probably don't want to take. But you know what? In the end, vitamins are in whole food.